The RackPack is designed to enable perfect cable pulls every time. The unique construction of a spool suspended by two rigid end caps allows for smooth tangle-free cable pulls. Each RackPack has 3 perfect pull tearaways, one on the front and one each on the bottom and top of the box. The perfect pull tearaways are perforated for easy removal. Executing a horizontal pull is straightforward. Simply remove the perfect pull tear away from the front of the box, then locate the end of the cable and begin pulling. When combined with our transporters, you can link together multiple RackPacks to pull 2 or more cables all at once. What makes the RackPack even more special is our one-of-a-kind vertical pulls, only achieved through our RackPack system. Begin by removing the tear away on the top of the box and again locate the end of the cable and begin pulling. Because of the third tear away on the bottom of the box, you can stack several RackPacks vertically and feed the cable from the lower boxes through the upper boxes, bundling several cables together into one smooth action.